I've wanted to go to med school since I was a freshman in high school, and everything I did here, all the classes, all the professors I talked to, everyone I worked with, just continued to foster that interest in me and continue to push me to do better and to strive for more and to keep going and to pursue my dream. And it worked out, definitely, so it was a really good choice. I knew I wanted to get involved in research coming to Linfield. It was something I'd always been interested in. And I heard that Professor Toro was starting up a lab, and so I asked if I could be involved in that. So we started the lab together, got all the materials we needed over the summer, and started working on our techniques.
So we've been studying basically how we can use the Zebrafish lateral line sensory system to potentially model certain mechanisms, cellular mechanisms in the human inner ear, or the mammalian inner ear.
I was awarded the John Van Zijtveld Award for Life Sciences for the oral presentation I gave. It's a 15-minute talk about my research that's presented in front of a room with a couple hundred scientists and undergraduate students, and afterwards there's a question and answer session where they can ask me things to clarify about my research.
This was the first time that someone from Linfield has won the oral presentation in the life sciences, so we were all very excited and proud of Meg.
It's something really rare to have the opportunity to talk with your peers. It's something that you don't normally get to do until you're in a graduate level program. It's really important to get that collaboration and to see what other people are doing, and it's really motivating, and it makes you want to keep going forward and learn more.
Meg was my first student, and working with her was really excellent. She was engaged and interested, and really was somebody who would push me and challenge me to ask me questions to make sure that I was making the right decisions and we could design the correct experiments.
It definitely came up in the interviews, my research, what I had learned from it, what it helped me, how it's going to help me in the future, and specifically how doing research at a small college was going to help me moving into possibly rural medicine. They were asking me how would I possibly do research if I'm in a rural setting, and I said, well, at this school, our labs aren't huge. They're not giant, multi-million-dollar labs. We had to figure out how to get things to work and how we could compromise and how we could tweak for different procedures. Having that practice of just standing up in front of your classmates and your professor and talking about something and having to make sure that you can be understood and that you're conveying what you're saying in a precise manner. Definitely the size of Linfield and the liberal arts part of it has made me a lot more practice in that, and I think I would be in a different school.